Hello students, good day all of you. Let's see, yesterday we have completed workbook page number 16, 17, 18 from lesson number 3rd, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so from this lesson, now see next workbook page number 19. Workbook page number 19. So all of you workbook page number 19 and solve this example. See assignment number 3rd. Assignment number 3rd. So in this assignment number 3rd, here is the first question is the subtract, and from this first lesson this first one example solved. Okay, now let's see second one. Second example, first all of you read this question. See here, 50,63,611, this number, and second number is 23,28,729. Okay, now see, when we are doing subtraction, that time first we are subtracting from unit place numbers. Okay, now see here unit place number. Here is the unit place number 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. So 1 is smaller than 9. 1 is smaller than 9. Then what we will do? We will take 1 borrow from next place. So next place is the 10 place. From this 10 place we will take 1 borrow to unit place. Then here which number will form? See here is the 11, which number will form, and this one is the cut. Okay, so this 11 number will form, and we have taken this one from here. So in 10 place which number is here? 0. Now tell me 11 minus 9, then which number is here? 2. Okay, I will write here downside. You write this answer in your box. Okay, so which number is here? 2. Means 11 minus 9, 2 is here. Next one is the 0 number, 10 place number, 0 minus 2. So 0 also less than 2. Then what we will do? We will take 1 borrow from next place. So next place is the 100 place. In 100 place 6 is here. Okay, suppose we will take here borrow. Then which number will remain here? 5. Okay, so here which number will form? 10. Now 10 minus 2, here is the 8. Okay, now 5 minus 7, it's not possible. 5 is smaller than 7. Then again we will take 1 borrow from next place, and next place is the 1000 place. So here is the 2. 3 minus 1, 2 remain, and here which number formed? 15. Now 15 minus 7, here will become 8. Okay, now 2 minus 8, again it's not possible. Then what we will do? We'll take 1 borrow from next place. Next place is the 6. In next place number is 6. So 6 minus 1, here remain 5. And here which number form? 12. Now 12 minus 8, which number remain here? 4. Okay. Now 5 minus 2, it's possible. So 5 minus 2, 3. Again 0 minus 3, it's not possible. Then we'll take borrow from next place. Next place number is the 5. 5 minus 1, 4 remain, and here already 0 is here. And after taking borrow, which number form here? 10. Now 10 minus 3, 7, and 4 minus 2, here is the 2. Okay, so what is the answer? 27,34,882, isn't it? So all of you write this example. Now see next one, third one, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 6, it's not possible. Then what we will do? We'll take borrow from next place. 3, cut here is the 2. 3 minus 1, 2. But which number will form here? 15. Now 15 minus 6, here is the 9. 2 minus 4, it's not possible. Then again we'll take 1 borrow from next place. So here is next place 7, here is the 12. Okay, 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 8, it's not possible. Again we'll take next one from next place. So next place, 7 minus 1, 6. And here is the which number form after taking borrow? 17. 17 minus 8, 9. And 6 minus 6, 0. And 9 minus 7, 2. So what is the answer? 2,09,890. 2,09,890. Okay. Now let's see last one. Here is the fourth one. 7 minus 1. What is the answer? 6. 1 minus 3. It's not possible. In 10 place. Then what we will take? One we will take borrow from 100 place. So 100 place number 3. 3 minus 1. Here remain 2. After taking borrow, which number form here? 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Okay. 2 minus 7, it's not possible. Again we will take borrow from next place, means 1000 place. So here remain 4, here is 1 borrow. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 5, it's not possible. Then again we will take here borrow from next place. Next place is lakh place. So 1 minus 1, 0. And here is the which number form after taking borrow? 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 0 minus 8, it's not possible. Then again we will take next number from 10 lakh place. So here which number form? 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And 7 minus 1, here is the 6. So what is the answer? 62,72,586. Isn't it? All these questions you have to solve in workbook, otherwise in notebook. Okay. Now see page number 20, page number 19 only, but question number 2nd. See here, all of you read this. Arrange the numbers vertically and subtract. Keep borrowed numbers in your mind. Keep borrowed number in your mind. Means you have to don't write this borrow number here. Just we how to keep in mind. Okay, so see first one is the 7,57,412 minus 4,81,165. See 7,57,412. Okay, minus next number is the 4,81,165. 165. See here they told borrowed number keep in your mind. So 2 minus 5, it's not possible. Then we have taken one borrow from next number. Okay. So 12 is there. Then 12 minus 5, 7. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. 12 minus 5, 7. Again here 0. 0 minus 6, it's not possible. Again we will take one borrow from next place. So here is the 10 number. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Now here 3 number. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. 7 minus 1, 6. 5 minus 8, it's not possible. Then again we will take borrow from next place. So here 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now here 6. 6 now minus 4, 2. So what is the answer? 2,76,247. Here we have not written borrow numbers. Okay. Now next number, see here, 56 lakh 34,728. Okay, I cannot write here 8. Just you see, at unit place 8 number is there. At unit place 8 number is there. Okay. Okay, see here. 56 lakh 34,728. Okay, I wrote here 8. 8 this you have to write in next box. Next, see, here is the 22 lakh 50,839. Okay, see, 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. It's not possible. Then 18 is here. We have taken one borrow. So answer is the 9. Okay. Now we have taken from 2 borrow. So here is 1. 1 means 1 minus 3. It's not possible. Then again we will take one borrow from next place. So here which number form? 11. So 11 minus 3, 8. Now here 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Again we will take borrow from next place. Means 4 minus 1, 3. And here is the which number form? 16. Okay. So 16 means 16 minus 8, 8. And here is 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 5, it's not possible. Then what we will do? Again we will take borrow. Here is 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Here is 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. What is the answer? 33,83,889. Okay. Now let's see page number 20. Page number 20. See, these also examples you have to solve in mind only. Okay. This third one I will solve. Fourth one you can solve with your mind. Okay. See here, 1,31,751 minus here is a 1,10,842. 1 minus 2, it's not possible. Then what we will do? Here is carry borrow 1. 11 minus 2, 9. Now here 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 8, it's not possible. We have taken one borrow from next place. So here 0. 17 minus 8, 9. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 20,909. Okay. See here, next one is the 80 lakh 21,543. I cannot write here. You just solve this example. Okay. Now let's see assignment number 4. assignment number 4, page number 20. See here, first of all of you read this example. In a factory, 3,57,589 tons of iron was used in 1 year. In 1 year, iron used in factory, that is how many tons? 3,57,589. And if 1,72,958 tons of iron was used in first half of the year. First half of the year means what? In first 6 months. So how many tons of iron was used in second half of the year? Second half of the year means next 6 months. See, in 1 year how many months are there? 12 months. So first half year means first 6 months and half year means last 6 months. Okay, so January to June means this first half year, and July to December second 6 months means that is second half of the year. Okay, now see, iron is used in 1 year. How much is here? See, already they gave here 3,57,589. Okay, and in first half of the year they used 1,72,958. Okay, now subtraction, because remaining half years we want to find. These whole years, this one is the whole years, this is first half of the year, and now we will get here second half of the year. So what is the answer? 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 9, it's not possible. Here borrow. 15 minus 9, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 7, it's not possible. So here is the 15. And here is the 2. 15 minus 7, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? 1,84,631. So you have to write this answer in here word. What is the question? How many tons of the iron was used in second half of the year? See here, 1,84,631. Forward number, you write this. I am dictating this. 1,84,631 tons iron used in the second half of the year. Like this write. Okay, write this answer in full sentence. I have not written here, but you have to write. Okay. Now see, from assignment number 4, question number 2, page number 20 only. Okay, so see here. Let's see, total amount collected for the flood affected people by two organizations was rupees 75,68,525. If one organization collected rupees 39,19,678, how many rupees did the other organization collect? How many rupees did the other organization collect? Okay, means for flood affected people. फ्लड अफेक्टेड पीपल म्हणजे काय? जे पूरग्रस्त लोक अडकलेले आहेत, म्हणजे ज्यांच्या इथं पूर आलेला आहे त्या लोकांसाठी काय केलेली आहे? अमाऊंट कलेक्ट केलेली आहे. अमाऊंट मीन्स पैसे कलेक्ट केलेले आहेत. मग ते पैसे किती केलेत? 2 ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हणजे 2 कमिटीकडून केलेले आहेत. कुठले? किती झाले मग 2 कमिटीचे पैसे टोटल? 75,68,525. पण त्यातले एका ऑर्गनायझेशन किती कलेक्ट केले? 39,19,678. 78. सो आपल्याला दुसऱ्या ऑर्गनायझेशन किती कलेक्ट केले हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग काय करूया आपण इथं इन फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स. First, all of you write down. I am dictating this. See, in this line, you have to write total amount collected by two organization. Total amount, otherwise total amount collected by two organization. So, what total amount? 75 lakh 68,525. Okay, minus in this line you have to write, sorry, in second line you have to write amount collected by one organization. Amount collected by one organization, how much? 39 lakh 19,678. This is answer, and here you have to write this answer. This red color line means what you will get? Amount collected by other organization. Amount collected by other organization. Now let's see, we will solve this. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so here is the borrow. 15 minus 8, 5, sorry 7. So 15 minus 8, 7. Here is the 1. 1 minus 7, it's not possible, so here 4. So here which number form? 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so here is the 7. Here 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 9, it's not possible, so we have taken borrow. Here 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 9, it's not possible, so here 15. Here is the 6. 15 minus 9, 6. And 6 minus 3, 3. This is total amount. And you have to write here 36,48,847 amount, means rupees, collected by other organization. This answer write in words here. Okay. Okay, so all of you solve this for book page number 19 and 20. This is homework.